And to add on to Toby's claim on the response to the care and the nice cages that the dogs had, and in a recent undercover lab investigation in 2009, after the last 2008 Animal Welfare Amendment, 2009, an investigation revealed monkeys frantically spinning around in the cages, biting wounds around and around the cages by manipulating themselves and ripping out their own hair. Brain psychologist, primatologist Dr. Jang Lebons, after seeing these imagery, stated, "In no lab have I visited have I seen so many chimpanzees exhibit such intense fear. The screaming I heard when chimpanzees were being forced to move toward the dreaded needle in their squeeze cages was, for me, absolutely horrifying." An additional to animal testing is that it is very inefficient, as more than half of the few drugs approved are later withdrawn or relabeled due to serious fatal adverse effects in humans, as the FDA estimated that 92% of drugs that pass preclinical trials, including animal tests, fail to proceed to the market. And according to Dr. Thomas Hartog, director of the Johns Hopkins University Center for Alternatives to Animal Testing, out of the some 100,000 chemicals in consumer products, only about 5,000 have had significant testing so far, because no one has the capacity for experiments using standard methods involving animals. While all new products must be treated for safety, using animals to assess human health risks is inefficient, unreliable, and has limited, if any, predictive value for what will happen. And to add in on other alternatives are human autopsies. So researchers can research the dead bodies of the deceased. And another one is computerized patient drug databases, which is a new upcoming thing that